In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on image in WordPress Elementor. We'll walk through this process step by step, so even if you're new to Elementor, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know how to place text on top of an image using a container, and how to style it so it looks clean and professional. First, open the Elementor editor for any page on your WordPress site. You can do this from your WordPress dashboard by going to the page you want to edit and clicking the option to edit with Elementor. This will load the visual editor where you can design your page in real time. Once the editor is open, look at the top right area of the Elementor panel and click the plus icon to open the list of available widgets. From here, search for the container widget. Click and drag that container onto your page into the area where you want your image and text to appear. Next, click on the container you just added. At the top of the container, you'll see an icon with horizontal ellipses. Click this to open the container settings in the left sidebar. In that panel, go to the Style tab. Under Style, find the Background section and click it to expand the options. In the background settings, set the background type to Classic. You'll now see an image field. Click the plus icon or the Choose Image button. This will open the Media pop-up, where you can either upload a new image, select an existing one from your media library, or insert an image from a URL. For this example, choose an image from your media library, click on it, and then click the select button in the bottom right of the pop-up. You should now see your chosen image appear as the background of your container. With that in place, we can add the text on top of it. Click the plus icon again in the Elementor panel, and this time search for a text-based widget. You can use a heading, a text editor, or a text path widget, depending on your design. Drag your chosen text widget into the container that has the image background. Now, edit the text to say whatever you need. You can change the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing in the widget's content and style tabs. Make sure the text color contrasts well with the background image so it's easy to read. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Update or Save button to save your changes, and your text on image section is ready on your live page.